Hello everyone and welcome to Mindblowing Facts, the channel where we bring you the most interesting and informative facts about various topics. In today's video, we are going to talk about some facial beauty hacks that work wonders for both men and women that helps you to achieve glowing and healthy looking skin. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to watch till the end, so that you don't miss out on any of these amazing tips. Creating informative and entertaining content like this takes a lot of time doing research, and for us your support means a lot to us. So, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and help us reach a wider audience. Now, let's dive into the topic of facial beauty hacks both men and women. We have compiled top 15 effective and simple tricks that can help you achieve a great looking skin. Fact 1. Cleansing your face twice a day is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Use a mild cleanser that suits your skin type and avoid harsh soaps that can strip your skin of its natural oils. Fact 2. Moisturizing your skin regularly can help keep it hydrated and prevent dryness, which can lead to premature aging. Fact 3. Incorporate a facial massage into your daily routine to increase blood flow, improve lymphatic drainage and promote relaxation. Fact 4. Use a face mask once or twice a week to deep cleanse your pores, remove impurities and improve the overall texture of your skin. Fact 5. Exfoliate regularly to get rid of dead skin cells that can clog pores and cause acne. Fact 6. Hydrate your skin by drinking plenty of water every day. This helps keep your skin plump and supple, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Fact 7. Use a toner after cleansing your face to balance your skin's pH level and help tighten pores. Fact 8. Apply sunscreen daily to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging and skin damage. Fact 9. Try using a facial oil, like jojoba or argan oil, to moisturize your skin and give it a healthy glow. Fact 10. Use a high-quality razor and shave in the direction of hair growth to prevent irritation and razor bumps. Fact 11. Use an eye cream to reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness and fine lines around your eyes. Fact 12. Apply lip balm to keep your lips hydrated and prevent chapping. Fact 13. Avoid smoking and limit your alcohol intake to prevent premature aging and skin damage. Fact 14. Eat a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean protein to nourish your skin from the inside out. Fact 15. Get plenty of rest and exercise regularly to reduce stress and promote overall wellness, which can reflect on your skin. So, there you have it, top 15 facial beauty hacks that can help you achieve a healthier, more attractive appearance. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.